case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit heard the case of Technical Assistance International, Inc. v. United States, which centered around the idea that when a buyer changes their requirements in a requirements contract, they must do so in good faith and not to avoid their obligations under the contract. Technical Assistance International, Inc. (TAI) had entered into a contract with the government for the maintenance and repair of the Army's vehicle fleet. The contract was part of the Interagency Fleet Management System, a program aimed at bringing the Army's fleet up to General Services Administration (GSA) standards. Under this program, GSA agreed to replace at least 30% of eligible vehicles in the first year of consolidation, with the goal of full replacement within 5 years. TAI claimed damages when the government increased the replacement rate of its vehicles, which resulted in a decreased requirement for TAI's services. In response, TAI sued the government, alleging negligence in estimate preparation. The court found that while the government did breach its contractual obligations by decreasing its requirements and causing a constructive change in the contract, it did not act negligently. Despite the breach, the court held that the government hadn't acted in bad faith when it reduced its white sands fleet requirements through the increased replacement rate. As a result, TAI was not entitled to relief.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.